Thank God I got an Object 140.
Where are you? Oh, you're behind me.
Behind you.
Sorry.
I think a 60% win rate in that victory, but well, more. But I just always feel like in that particular tank, I die quite quickly.
Yeah, it's how I feel sometimes in like some tanks like the IS-6 or the T-54. Like I do really well on them, but I just don't do really that well as I think I do, because most of the
But
games...
you're very aggressive though when you play Bender, and that's why you die a lot.
Yeah, but I mean, for some reason that's actually paid off in the end.
Yeah, but I play aggressively, and I'm about 57, close to 58%, so it's only 2% difference.
I mean, I don't even know how the hell I have 60. I probably shouldn't. I got so much help.
Russian accuracy.
What Russian accuracy? There is none.
Exactly.
Russian accuracy? For a free type of...
If my gun could hit anything...
Nope.
It's turfed in front of this tank twice.
My gun could
You
hit
should be
anything.
dead.
You're asking for way too much.
I am.
Don't ever ask this game for anything, because they'll just put it back in your face.
Oh look, it's the new Scion.
Everybody's stealing my damage.
Stop. No, get out of the way, I said. I want the kill. Move. Yeah, you jerk. Stole the kill.
Get out of the way, VK. Thanks, you jerk.
My father wasn't working, I'd get him in here, but he just is still not home.
Somebody's got to pay the bills, Ben.
Yeah, Bender, somebody's got to pay the bills.
Pay bills? I'm not the right age to pay bills yet.
Yeah, but you're still consuming though. Do you know how much it costs your parents, roughly?
Probably like 200,000.
By the time you're 18, I think it's about $250,000.
Hey, trust me, it's not like I'm the one who's taking up all the money. I mean, I have five
that's
other
a
brothers.
that's $250,000.
I have 5 other brothers and sisters
for
in
18
total.
years. $250,000, man. I mean, that's kind of like, you know, you're kind of living high off the hog there.
Yeah, but my father's rich, so of course he can. Thankfully, the stream's not on, or else this would be really awkward.
The stream is on.
Yeah, personally, I'm a caveat communist, but
I had a
Are
horrible
you
game.
serious? Why does it still say it's offline from you? Are you kidding? I probably should just leave this room and never come back. Do me do you all a favor.
Yeah, it's showing. I am not doing that thing again.
oh, you want the battle button?
What?
You want the battle button?
You can have the battle button. I
No,
don't
you're
have battle
streaming.
button envy.
No, you can have it. Come on, invite me, please. Actually, don't make me wait.
Man, we can't get high tier to save our life.
What's your average damage at?
Nah, 13 something.
Yeah, I was gonna say, because like from the last few games there, you're doing some nice scores.
It slowly ticks up.
Yeah.
I play low tier during the day at breaks at work though, because my internet sucks so bad, so I run low tiers. So I'm not overly concerned about winning.
You're not concerned?
No,
I don't really
Okay.
care if you lose these games.
not really.
No.
Why not?
Because if I cared, it wouldn't be fun.
Yeah.
You know, I know that if I lose 3-4 of them in a row, I should quit and take a break and do something else.
You have the same mindset I do, except completely different. One of us is aggressive.
There's a lot of
Whatever.
tanks down there.
Alright. So, with that,
Is he old enough for the young bull, old bull analogy?
I don't
think
know,
he
probably
is.
not.
I was thinking
Oh, I'm gonna get ripped.
it'd be nice to have another contest so I can win more money. When's our next meeting?
Next month.
When's our next? When's the next clan contest?
Whenever somebody comes up with an idea.
Kill
Oh,
the council members.
is the other one contest over?
Yeah.
I really want to. Yeah, the contest has been way over for a long time. Actually, if you want, actually, I can tell you the results of that. It was not pretty to most of them. And I'm really glad he did that contest. It gave me money.
This is not going well.
My guy just blow up? What the heck? As I shoot. Not quite sure what that ISU next to me was doing. There wasn't even an ISU. But it wasn't a whole lot of help.
A lot.
That was an awful game.
Wow. Well, our T-54 doesn't look up here. Let's see. Did he do much?
So
As much as me. So that's sad in itself.
Ow.
Alright.
That hurt.
Yep. That team.
Here are you
Oh,
guys.
let's go for a classic. Let's see what happens. I haven't played this in a while.
And we get low again. Well, at least no 9s.
Aim. Blow it.
How long does a when they release a new tank? How long?
Whenever the next update comes out.
How long before
does it?
stats?
How long does it stay like available for?
Depends.
Because I was thinking we should do maybe a next contest is maybe giving away if you give away one of those tanks.
Where are you going, Mastiff?
I don't
Go
know.
watch the flank.
Yeah, I think so. So be bullies. Oh, oh, no, sorry. Yeah, and just have to prove how bad driving is in Montreal. My dad got hit today.
Oh, really?
Yep.
You okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
Oh.
It's just back on the bender.
No, no jokes. No jokes.
Alright, there's one. Oh, and of course he turns and I hit the man.
User joined your channel.
Hello.
Hello. Hello, Mar.
Hey guys. What you guys up to?
You got that M4 right?
XJ is pimping me on the internet. I'm rather upset about it.
I haven't made any money yet.
That's basically what he's doing. True.
Doubles.
Go
trying
to the
to-
left.
Trying to raise funds by streaming on the internet.
Good luck. I still don't know why it's taking this long to load. Like, what? The
What?
hell?
Did you bounce? Did you kill him already? 'Cause I'm leaving.
No, I'll give up. Kill him.
Raise funds.
What?
How are you raising the funds for the stream?
Oh, just showing how skilled we are.
By making credits and killing people, we're raising money.
Yeah.
That's like the world's greatest way.
Mastiff and XJ, or XJ and Mastiff, we're the next greatest thing.
Are you guys streaming right now?
Yep, we've been streaming for a while.
Well, I should just get off and go watch the TV. Go watch the stream, I mean.
Yeah, I'm gonna TV stream it.
XJ's got me wearing this body cam thing.
If you could watch it on the television, it'd be.
You could, couldn't you? Live?
What
Couldn't
was
you?
that?
Oh yeah, if you have the. I don't know how you could.
Live? What do they call it? Live play with Apple or whatever?
I have no idea. Airplay.
AirPlay. There you go. AirPlay it.
I'm just kind of sitting here behind these guys. I don't think they know I'm here. Okay, guys.
Okay, I'm gonna watch.
You gotta pay.
You gotta pay to watch the stream. $20.
No, no.
I do have to pay the commercial.
Yep.
$500.
Where's,
I had to pay to watch the stream. I just
where's
thought,
the skip
yeah,
button?
no thanks. Yeah. Skip stream button. What else is on?
Do you have this, actually?
Nope.
Sure? Yes.
Mm.
Really sure? Yes.
I'll do this one.
Just make sure it doesn't ask you 100 times if you're sure you don't want to watch the stream. The German watching the stream.
Yep.
I just only noticed the chat.
Guten Tag.
And wow. Yay, 10,000 kills.
Good choice.
The tank
I never have to
with
get this. I never have to get this medal ever
no
again.
gun depression.
10,000 kills. I'm gonna go.
Wow, that was a lot difficult. Wow. Pretty good delay.
Yep.
How do I look, Lamar?
Wow, I hear it in my headphones and then I hear it again on the live stream. That's confusing.
It's pretty
The delay.
So you don't know if it's real me, huh?
This is bad. This is weird.
Come on, so do we look good? Come on.
In a world.
Oh, this is.
I really
I think there's a glitch in the matrix.
Have you been up to your dad's place or something?
Oh my god. Damn it, man. I need to watch the, what do you call it, the Twilight Zone.
Oh, God, everything is being replayed twice in my head.
Why are you watching both?
Yeah, there's a tiger now.
I mean,
You gotta disconnect one.
You guys haven't killed that Jackson yet?
Pick one and drop
I'm
it.
like holding them back on the corner here, trying to. Now he's maybe using my adrenaline. And they track me.
Just sit there, tiger. There's the crown walls coming over too.
You said that already.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, it's a gun carrier.
Oh, what was that, Lamar? Lamar?
You said that already. Quit saying everything twice.
What?
Huh, wow, I can't believe you fell for that.
All that Cromwell.
Communist has been confirmed.
I don't advise anybody to. I
See
don't
what
advise it.
You
Oh
need
my
to
God.
mute your video.
Don't get on TeamSpeak and watch a live stream.
Never. You'll just look real dumb.
Okay.
Completely honest with you. For the future. Boy, you're gonna need it.
Ooh, I thought somebody was at Cap.
I don't know how to mute the video.
Turn it off.
I mean, you can't mute me. You can't mute
Of
me.
the video
Yeah,
while
what
he's watching it.
There's not a mute button.
Alright, well that took care of that.
Okay, I'm back to reality. That was rough.
Welcome back to reality. How does it feel?
Whew.
Does your life feel better?
Alright, so where's the other guy?
You guys look fabulous, though. I gotta tell you.
What do we do?
That's good, man. That's good. I like to know that.
But those compliments, though.
We just want to make sure we look rough and tough enough.
Yeah. These tracks make me look fat old enough.
Where did Rommel go?
Just muted. I think.
I see he's muted.
Yeah, I mean, he just is watching the stream. He doesn't want to interrupt.
I'm not gonna get
He has a
this
bunch of
Kelly
kids in the
down.
background. You know how bad that would be if you left it on. Trust me, I play with him a lot, and having his kids in the background is not fun.
It's alright. Kids are kids.
Yep.
Kids just being kids?
Yep.
Oh, I have 7
Nice game, actually.
As you, yeah, we're close on that one. I have a love-hate relationship with that tank.
Do it again. Do it again.
Which tank?
KB-13.
Yeah, the KB-13, it's like a T-43, which is why I'm gonna like it when I pick it up.
I got a like a 70% win rate in that tank.
KB-13? Oh my.
I got 71%.
Yeah, it's a good tank.
I have like
Nothing
a 20%.
sarcastic, sorry.
I have no idea what I have in it.
Come on, come on.
What's that?
Yeah, my sarcasm. I expect you to bite occasionally.
I didn't. I probably didn't hear what you said because I don't hear very well.
Because he tunes you out,
I had
Mastiff.
selective
I
hearing.
know. I know. I've noticed as you get older, it's quite a nice thing about your age.
That was always my favorite thing, and my grandfather watching him as my grandma is quite the talker. And
I'm
so
not that
sit-
old.
Well, no, but sitting around family events and you'd see him reach into his ear and turn his hearing aid down, so you didn't have to listen to her.
Classic.
Yeah, he'd just like, and he'd look at you and smile, and he'd turn it down.
I like you.
Oh man. How many battles do you have in your 13 Mastiff?
I think I got about 105, 110.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not a lot, but that's more than me.
I think I do. I could be wrong.
I didn't want to go through all the trouble of grinding the K1S again, so I'm just gonna leave it there and one day just free export it.
Free what?
Use free experience.
Oh.
And I have like 46,000 waiting.
It's a good tank.
Yeah. Oh, I wish I could get more of you guys to go get the Object 140.
I have
Okay
it.
over there, Mastiff?
You have it too, Lamar?
Yeah, but I'm no good in it.
How many games do you have?
Not many.
Alright, we need to push down on these guys here.
I'll just read it, but I won't say it out loud, just so I don't embarrass you on
What?
on the stream.
Oh.
Where is your name? Are you not on my list?
Yeah, I've got 32 battles in the 140, and I'm 37%.
Kill that Panzer
Wow.
IV.
I have over
Yep.
200 battles in it.
But a lot of those I was platooning with Mustang, but for some reason when we both get in those 140s, we each have to do like 4,000 damage to win or something. I don't know.
I mean, now that what time were you guys doing this? Like when,
What do you mean?
like around which time did you guys start putting that?
Oh,
Like
I came all
before
the way over the
2.2
hill.
or
Sorry.
after 2.2?
You want to stay there? I'll push up on the bridge side over here.
Yeah, I think before, just before.
Hmm.
Yeah. It just seems like I always get you know, not very good teams with it. It's like when I play that tank, the matchmaking expects me to really carry, and
That's what a lot of these tanks make me feel like.
Alright,
It's
where'd they
not
go?
just the 210s. That's why I really don't play my JG anymore, because carrying in that thing is not easy, considering all the mediums.
you're what? JG.
Yeah, that thing. Remember back when we... Oh, wait, no. Yeah, I don't play that thing anymore, really.
I don't know what that is.
The Jag Panzer E100?
Oh. Okay.
The Tier 10 tank destroyer.
Yeah.
That tank was the boss, but now that so many people have mediums, it's so hard to play. And now that the Death Star's come along, it's put the JG to shame with the amount of damage the Death Star gets.
Mastiff, you're stealing all my kills, man.
So I was putting shot into him, I thought.
You want to run some games, Bender? Or are you doing something?
Very rare that I get a top one. And yes, I agree. Maybe I should have shared a little bit better. I apologize.
That T-29 I got down to 1, and you came in with a shot like that. That was the only one that I noticed on.
I guess that I received a hit to the head recently, so yeah. Well, 107 games I've got in it, and that's 73%. And that's my highest tier.